Hello and welcome at Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel, we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Enphase Energy Incorporated, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name ENPH. Well, ENPH today has shown a red candle followed by another white candle. So together they actually show kind of a white-red combination, candle-wise, similar size, which in the given chart situation works as a momentarily bearish indicator, and therefore we can expect further correction for ENPH. And to understand where we can enter for Enphase Energy, let's do a quick analysis for this stock. So overall, the stock is in its general growth position, because we see here the upwards trend that is going already fourth month, and it's following this line. Let's call it T1, trend 1. And it was started somewhere in the middle of June and then reconfirmed after bigger action in all middle of September, and then another wave started actually beginning of end of September all the way until middle of October. It was a classical wave up slightly, slowly going up and actually sending the price RSI wise in very oversold area, overbought area. And then similarly you can see that MACD wise we were also starting from this upwards move, creating a classical positive wave. And now like 5 trading sessions ago the wave was broken at around 120, and similarly this coincided with actually downwards movement of MACD. So now we're in the negative one. MACD still need to finish the wave, meaning that until we start upwards movement it still will be momentarily bearish. Also RSI wise the movement downwards just started, so we will need to form still more pressure, at least to reach sub minimum levels somewhere about 40-45. And also the current indication, including this piercing candle that was observed 4 trading sessions ago, overall say that we will go further down. Though if you look after hours numbers, it's now plus 5% trading, but it could be just kind of low volume volatility. And even if we open tomorrow higher, in general it's inevitable that we will go further down. And then if you are overall like a short-term player, you need to catch the wave. If you are a mid-long-term player, when you can enter at some decent levels, let's say at T1 levels, because overall while the stock is keeping so-called 50, 20, 200 allocation of moving averages, it is growing well. But once it starts changing, especially when 20 and 50 start flipping around each other, then it might open interesting entry positions for those who play shorter terms. And by the way, here we have 3 moving averages depicted. On the left you see their legends. So where we can enter once the price go further down, we can see here several entry points, several levels. Well, the first will be of course here. It's let's draw them brown. So this is a classical point here, like also it was end of the piercer candle that was 4 day trading sessions ago. Also here it was formed as an additional step while forming the upwards wave. So it's like a 2 steps wave actually, and this will work as a first volatility point. Most probably from here a little bit lower we will start first rebounds, and I say first because usually on the broken waves of such a big waves the first rebounds takes place almost 60-70% of the wave top, and then second correction starts. What do we mean here by saying broken wave? So if wave goes like this up and then goes down, it's a normal wave. But if it goes up and then goes like this, so kind of a shark back formation, then it's a broken wave. And usually what happens with it, it recovers slightly, not till the entire maximum, and then second correction starts. And that's exactly what's about to happen here soon. So for the first rebounds, it's advised to enter in this small triangle actually between the line R1 and this brown line R1 and T1 trend. So after that, and second correction will start, and then we will need to wait actually if you are going to catch second wave a little bit lower levels. Then if you speak of supports, these would be the first actually supports lines that start playing here, and maybe it will not be advised to enter at the second correction phase until we go lower than actually S1, and then this would be S2 line. So the first entry position will be there somewhere at about S2. Should the price go further down, then we will open another support levels here So one is just sitting here, and coinciding that moment will be coinciding also with moving average 200, which will even be a little bit higher if we would imaginary continue its movement. So first let's draw the moving average 200 continuation, and then these levels. So with this it would mean that if this would be S3 line, then the second entry after the actually second correction starts will be here, just below this one. And again, it's advised to buy with 1 to 2 average down on the second correction. For the first correction, if you enter here with 1, well, you can wait then for S2 as a second entry, then it will be 2 averaging down here. So this is it for Enphase Energy. Overall, the stock is quite interesting. It has very good growth capacity, and once the broken wave will let's say rebounds and then restabilize, we can find another formation of longer trend. Maybe it will go parallel to T1. So most probably what will be seen here is actually going down, because we can create here downwards channel, and the top angle of this channel will be formed by the top of the first rebounds, and then this will be the second part of the channel, again probably going like this, also using this as a piercer, as a pivot point. Once the rebound takes place, it should go again higher upwards, forming this way a second T1 line, and yeah, if it will start from this level, it will be like this. It will be starting from somewhere other levels, it will be probably like that. So it will form overall most probably like kind of a zigzag formation, but on this one you can catch the wave, and this is actually consists of two correction phases. So one phase will start soon, and then after that the second, and then we should again restart. But this is more like a couple of months action, so we will come back later to Enphase Energy to discuss what happened here and when we can catch another T1 line, so another higher line. So this is it for Enphase Energy. Thank you for watching. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss another videos and interesting discussions for US-based stocks.